Hi everybody, today we're doing an unboxing of this professional adjustable shop seat with tool storage. It's from Icon. I got it in the color red. They also got it in like green, black, and blue, in case you want to get a different color than red. So here it swirls, 360 degrees, 300 pounds is the capacity. Chemical resistant PVC seat cover for durability and comfort. Seat height adjusts from 17.5 inches to 21.5 inches. 19 inches of diameter tool storage space with 2 magnet trays built in. Heavy duty 3x3/8 coasters. I don't know if that is true. I've been hearing people lately that they don't last long and all that, and you don't get a warranty for this, so I'm just giving a heads up. And I think in case one of the coasters do go out, I think you can find or replace it anywhere. I would recommend replace all four if it breaks, or just buy that one. But I've been hearing people saying they're not too good, they're not reliable. I don't know if it's true, but that's what they've been saying. Also, here it has here we got more stuff. It's just all the basic same stuff. Nothing much. It tells you the dimensions here, seat dimensions, overall dimensions, frame, and also the weight. It doesn't weigh much. So, you can, I'll lift it up here for y'all so you can look, just so y'all can see the dimensions. I think you can't, but there we are. Okay, and the model number for this guy is 58449. To get this Harbor Freight for $115. They do come on sale sometimes. It's really rare, but it does happen. And the reason I got this, I got a brake job that's coming up pretty soon, and it was on sale. It was going for like $90. It's like $25 off. So that's not bad. So I wanted to get it. It was $90, and then with tax and everything, came out to $97 and something. So like almost $98. So yeah, that's basically I got like a $15 discount. But yeah, here we are. Let's start unboxing this little guy and see how how good it is and stuff. There are cheaper ones in case you are looking for a cheaper one. They do sell some cheaper ones. You don't have to go for Icon. I just wanted to get an Icon because, well, I'm kind of starting falling into the brand of Icon. I like Snap-on too, but usually I like more of the Icon because it's a little more cheaper. But if you're talking about quality, I kind of recommend more Snap-on. But if you're a person who doesn't do too much, then you need to buy Snap-on. Unless you want to buy like a ratchet and a couple sockets and don't want to deal with all that, then that's good. That's perfectly fine. But I kind of prefer to save my money, honestly. So let's see. Let's see what we got in the box. Okay, so right off the bat, you get the seat. There's the seat. There we are. There's the seat. And then you got the instructions manual. That's good. It should tell you how to install it, everything. All that good stuff. It should at least tell you. Yeah, it tells you everything here. I don't know if you have to assemble it. We'll find out here. And if we do, I do have a ratchet tool set nearby. We're not going to get until we. Looks like you don't need any tools. Or maybe you do. Let's see. Here we are. We got the little cart. The wheels do feel a little, but they don't feel like they're heavy duty or anything. They're kind of really cheap, honestly. And I'm guessing these are the magnets right here. I don't know if you can see them. Here, I'll show you. Here are the magnets. And I do got a little wrench here. So let's see. I got a little wrench here. Say like you want to put it on. Well, looks like it won't work. It won't work on the wrench. And that kind of stinks. Let's give it a try on this. Nope. That stinks. What about a wrench? If you got a wrench set here, let's get one wrench and try it out. Let's go with the Phonics. It does have a little magnetic, but it ain't like the best in the world, honestly. Like, let me give it a try with the 3/8. I mean, it's not the best magnetic, honestly. It does have a little bit, but it ain't like the best in the world. Okay. And we do have another box inside the box, and they do give you an Allen wrench. That's pretty nice. Let's get this guy unboxed. I think it's a little pressure guy in there, a little piston. See if he's in there. Let's see. Yep, it's a little piston. You know, adjust shop seat with tool storage. So I'm pretty sure you just sit there. There we are. He's sitting there, and I think he'll just get the movement here. And I don't know if you gotta take that off. Let's see here. I'll read the instructions. You need the Allen wrench, which I wonder why, but we'll find out here in a minute. Maybe to tighten up the little. They feel tight to me. Yep, they feel tight. Oh, but it does work with that. It does work with the Allen wrench, though. That's not the best magnetic, as I mentioned. That kind of stinks. But let's see. Well, give me a second. I'll read the owner's manual just to make sure if this is properly, and I'll see. Give me a couple seconds. Okay, so here in the owner's manual, it doesn't show it, but it does show a little diagram that doesn't show this guy on there. I think it's just a little, just to not let anything get in there. And then we'll just grab the seat, take the foam off of it. I have the foam here, so we'll take that off. There we are. It's been disposed. And then we just sit them on there. And there we go. Oh, it's pretty high, honestly. That's a pretty high chair. That is pretty high, honestly. I was not expecting to go that high. So give me a couple seconds. Okay, so now I'm gonna measure it. It's at the highest setting I can set it at. So right now it should be, since the highest I set it was like 21 or something. It's kind of close to saying, you could say close to maybe 23. So there are a little bit, over. That's the highest setting you can put it on. And the lowest setting should be, this is 17. But I'm looking over here, it looks like maybe 18 and a half so far. Maybe a little less, but that's what I'm getting. But I was not expecting to be high. I got just to do a brake job, and when you do brake jobs, you're always on sitting down, and then you're just doing the brake job, which was expecting to be a little, lower than I thought it was, but it's good enough. It's not easy to move around. I'm noticing that, but it could be because I'm on the hardwood floor or just on, on the floor. Usually they're on concrete, so maybe here it will just struggle. But you do struggle a bit here, but it could be because I'm not in concrete. These guys are better at concrete. But so far it's looking good. Not too bad. And it'll probably be useful when I do that brake job. I don't know what the Allen wrench is for. I'm thinking just to tighten up these just in case they're loosened up. So I'm guessing they're used for. I don't know why they provide one, but maybe over time they get loosened up. Or maybe, they get broken and they have to swap it out, But there we are. It looks decently well. It looks pretty cool. It doesn't look too bad. Just, the magnetics, as I mentioned, they're not the strongest, I was expecting to be decent. And they peel off easily. As you can see, I'm peeling it off like nothing. That's not good. So these are not, you know, the magnets are not, you know, it's not good. But I mean, the seat is decent, not too comfortable, but it's like mid. Storage wise, you can throw in all your tools there, whatever you're doing, you know, say like you're doing a big brake job, suspension, something like that. This is a perfect spot to have all that. You got a little tiny table or something, you can roll the seat up and then you can do all your work there. So it ain't too bad. It's just kind of wouldn't recommend it. If maybe it's on like cheaper than what I got, maybe like less than $8, maybe it's worth it, but don't get it if it's like you're gonna buy it. I would recommend it. Just get it with a coupon. You know, I would highly recommend get it with a coupon or something, or if it's on sale or something and I think it's worth it. To me, it ain't, honestly. So I got it with a coupon. But I'm not gonna use it too much all the time, but it's pretty well. Alright. So, final thoughts here. Don't buy it full price, in my opinion. Buy it if you want to get one, get it when it's on sale or something, maybe. Or there's a coupon for it, do it. But if there's not, then don't do it. Yeah, everything else is decently well. I do like how it has like a bunch of storage. You know, the storage tools. See, like you have a bunch of wrenches here, you know. Anything in there. Phillips, anything could be in there. And yeah, overall it looks decently well, but you know, the price is what ain't worth it. Alright, thanks for watching and have a good day. Forgot to mention, there are other brands that do have a Pittsburgh. They do sell there. If you want, you know, you need one, go with that one in my recommendation, probably more. The only win on the Icon is just because the seat, and that's it. It's all made out of metal except for the wheels. The wheels are all plasticky. There's nothing metalish, you know, so who knows how long those wheels will last. I've been hearing a lot of people talking a little bad about them. But I was like, I'm not going to use like every day or anything. I'm going to use every once in a while. Maybe it'll last me a couple, 3 years, but we'll see. Maybe I'll give an update if one of them breaks in the future. I'll probably do a video. So yeah. So don't buy it unless it's on sale and you're maybe interested. If you just want to buy one, like a type like this, just buy like a Pittsburgh or anything. If it goes on sale, so usually go for like $50. That ain't too bad, you know. But everything else is pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching, have a good day. And I forgot to mention, you do get a 90-day warranty on this, so don't expect to get a, you know, lifetime warranty like you do with the tools. I'm just giving a heads up. You can get a warranty when you purchase this, but IMA can just, you know, you don't get a lifetime warranty on this. You only get 90 days, so just keep that in mind.